Hello mate and welcome back. In this video, as you can see, I'm just experimenting with Blender again. I've actually sped the video up because there is a lot of staring pointlessly at the screen. Essentially the difference between this one and the previous one is that I'm experimenting with different tools and things to achieve the same goal. I realised that the initial video that I did of this was a bit scrappy, you know. I'm still trying to work out the nuts and bolts of Blender compared to other tools. So what I'm doing at the moment here is I'm just laying out the lines for the rooms. This building that I'm making at the moment is kind of based on my own apartment, albeit not identical, but it's kind of similar in certain aspects. And I wanted to experiment with having a angled wall as well as the straight walls that you normally see, hence why I've just put that line there in. So as you can see, I'm just kind of working my way around and I'm just trying to remove as many unnecessary lines as possible, trying to keep the rooms, or rather trying to keep the geometry to a bare minimum. It's not going to be the end of the world if I don't do it, but it's just good housekeeping to remove unnecessary vertices and lines if you possibly can. Hence why I've just realised, right, I should probably merge those two vertices if I possibly can. And then I've just thought, screw it, I'll do it the easy way. So that's what I've done there. I've just gone 45-degree angle there. And I think I'm just going to move some lines around now to make the rooms proportionately more close to real life. As simple as that, really. So I know that a lot of people come to this channel to learn how to do things, so I appreciate that this isn't a explained tutorial, but I am not skilled enough in Blender yet to really be what I would consider tutorial material. So as you can see, I'm just kind of experimenting and trying out these different things to see if I can get a room nice and quickly, really. I appreciate that 3D artists who are going to be creating things for maybe the Daz Studio store are going to be putting in a lot more decorational bits and pieces, but it's important for me to really practice and get to the just creation of 4 walls, a floor and a ceiling with windows. So I'm using separate a lot more in this than I didn't use in the previous one, which I appreciate probably drove some people mad, but the ability to remove a face or a group of faces from a mesh is actually quite integral to this technique. So I'm just going to shut up now and I'll let you guys carry on watching the video. So here is the object in Dash Studio. As you can see, there are absolutely no materials applied to the object yet, but one of the most important things is making sure that the actual ability to apply shaders is there. And as you can see now, because I've created all of the material groups, I now have the ability to put shaders on every single surface, which is, I think you'll agree, probably quite important. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and I'm just going to apply shaders to all the surfaces and then show you the finished project. So thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.